Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are removing the taillight assembly on this Toyota Auris. This will be an updated version of the one I did a while back ago. So stay tuned. It's held in place by two 10mm screws. So let's remove those. And so now you wanna grab a hold of it and pull it backwards. Because there's a clip that hooks onto here. If you wanna replace the bulbs, this upper one is the brake light and this lower one is the turn signal bulb. Take a plier and squeeze these two tabs. Like so. And there's a tab on the connector you wanna squeeze and pull it apart. And to remove the bulbs, just turn anti-clockwise. Like so. Ooh. That's it. Now it's free. And the reassemble is just the reverse of removal. Take the bulb, line it up with the slots and then turn it clockwise to snap it in place. Okay, where are the tabs? Okay, that one was a little bit tricky to get in place. So and we want to connect this like so. and snap it into place like so. And then there's a holder for the harness right here. You want to get the harness in place like that. So now it's just a matter of lining the clip up with this. Can you see something? There you go. Now it's just a matter of sliding the clip in this place. Push in at the same time, push it forward. Like so. And now for the screws. That's it. Well guys, now you know how to properly remove the taillight assembly on this Toyota Auris. Until next time, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.